Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this bucket hat. This bucket hat is easy to make, works up quickly, and beginner friendly. I'm using a 3 strand of fine cotton yarn with a 4.5mm hook, but you can also use a worsted weight yarn if you prefer. Okay, to start we are going to make a magic ring. I will hold my yarn like this and leave a long enough tail. Using the yarn tail, wrap it around your middle finger like this. Then hold the intersection with your thumb. Insert your hook under the loop on your finger. Yarn under, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through the loop. And that's the magic ring complete. Next, make one more chain so you have 2 chains. And now we are going to make 12 double crochets into the magic ring. For the chain 2 doesn't count as a stitch. After you have made 12 double crochets, now we can close the ring by pulling the yarn tail. Now to join it, we are going to make a slip stitch into the first stitch. Row number 2, make chain 2 and a double crochet increase into the same stitch. This is the first stitch where I slip stitch into, and into that stitch we are going to make double crochet increase, which is 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Into the next stitch, a double crochet increase. And now we will continue making double crochet increase into each stitch all the way around. By the end of row 2, you should have 24 stitches. To join it, same like before, we are going to make one slip stitch into the first stitch. Next, row number 3, chain 2 and a double crochet into the same stitch where you slip stitch into. Next stitch, a double crochet increase. For row 3, we will increase every second stitch. Start with 1 double crochet, then make a double crochet increase into the next stitch. Then 1 double crochet in the next stitch, followed by a double crochet increase in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern all the way around. Once you finish, make a slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Next, row number 4, make chain 2. For row 4, we will increase every 3 stitches. After making a chain 2, make 1 double crochet into the same stitch where you slip stitch into. Then make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And a double crochet increase in the third stitch. Now we will repeat the same pattern. Make 2 double crochets, followed by a double crochet increase all the way around. Same like previous row. To join it, make a slip stitch into the first stitch. Now we will continue the same pattern. For row 5, place an increase in every 4th stitch. For row 6, increase every 5th stitch. And for row 7, increase every 6th stitch. And this is what mine looks like. I made 7 rows and the diameter is 18.5 centimeters. If you want to make your bigger, just continue the pattern for a few more rows. If you want it smaller, simply stop few rows earlier. Now, let's move on to the body of the hat. After making a slip stitch into the first stitch and chaining 2, still into the same stitch, we are going to make a double crochet, but this time into the back loop only. For the body of the hat, we won't be making any more increases, so just continue working a double crochet through the back loop only, all the way around. To join it, make a slip stitch into the both loops of the first stitch. Okay, now we will start the mesh part. So, make chain 4. The first 3 chains will be your first double crochet, and the remaining 1 chain will form the chain space. Next, skip 1 stitch and into the second, make a double crochet. Next, chain 1, skip 1 stitch into the second, make a double crochet. And now we will continue this pattern, make chain 1, skip 1 and a double crochet into the second, all the way around. Now, to join it, make a slip stitch into the third chain. To begin the next row, same like before, make chain 4. Skip the chain 1 space and make a double crochet into the double crochet stitch. Next, chain 1. Skip the chain space and a double crochet into the double crochet stitch. Now we will continue this pattern all the way around. To join it, same like before, make a slip stitch into the third chain. From here, we will continue working the mesh stitch to build the body of the hat. Just keep repeating the same stitch pattern until you reach the length you want for your hat. And here is my finished hat body. I made mine about 6 centimeters long. Now let's start working on the brim. We are going to add increases again. But first take a look at the last row of your hat top. In my case, the last row had an increase every 6 stitches. So for the first row of the brim, I'm going to increase every 7 stitches. To begin, make chain 2 and a double crochet into the same stitch. Next, a double crochet into the chain 1. Next, a double crochet into the next stitch. Now, continue making double crochet like this until you have 6 double crochets. After you've made 6 double crochets, into the next stitch, make a double crochet increase. Next, continue make 6 double crochets. And a double crochet increase into the next stitch. And now we will continue this pattern all the way around. Now, to join it, make a slip stitch into the first stitch. For row 14, we will continue increasing. Start with a chain 2 and a double crochet into the same stitch, and continue make 6 more double crochets. So the total we have 7 double crochets. In this row, we will increasing every 8 stitch. Now just continue working 7 double crochets, and into the 8th stitch make 1 double crochet increase. To join it, make a slip stitch into the first stitch. For the next rows, we will continue increasing. In row 15, I will make a double crochet increase every 9 stitch. Then, in row 16, I'll increase every 10 stitch. For my brim, I made 4 rows in total, and it's about 5.5 centimeters. If you want a wider brim, just add few more rows. And the last thing we need to do is weave in all the ends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!